Good morning, students. I am Kunal Sharma. I teach mathematics in Modern English School, Kunti Nagar. So today I am going to teach you how to find the square root of a given number by using long division method. And today we will start exercise 3E. Now this is video number 1. The topic is chapter is a square and square root. Exercise is exercise 3A, 3E. And now this LDM means long, L for long, D for division and M for method. Now I will take some example and teach you how to calculate the square root using this method. So all the example I will take to solve will be from exercise 3E. Okay. So now let's take 576. 576. How to find the square root of 576 using this method. So first of all, we have to, from the units digit of a number, we have to make a pair of 2 digit. Okay, and start making pair, moving from right to left. So here we make a pair of 2 digit, and again here is only 1 digit, so leave it alone. Now we have to find the perfect square which is equal to equal to 5 or just near to 5. So what is the perfect square which is just less than 5? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So here we see that 9 is greater than 5, so we will not take 3. So what do we take? We will take 2. So 2 square, 2 twos are like 2 twos are in this way, or you can write it here also. Okay, here also LDM, and you can write it here also. Okay, 2 2 ja. Okay, write 2 here also and 2 here also. How many times? By what number you are giving? 2 2 ja, multiply it, and sorry, write it here 4. 2 2 ja 4, and write here 2 also. Now add these two together. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and subtract it. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now the next pair, from the next pair both the digit will come down, come here. So 176 will be here. Now we have to find by what digit we should apply here, by what number, by what digit we should multiply this number, by what times, so that we will get a number which is just less than or equal to 176. So let's try. You can try, say 43. 43 is 43 times and multiply it by 3. If you are putting here 3, you have to multiply this by 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So this is very much less than 176. Now let's try another number. You can try here 40. I can try 4. Let's say 4 into 4. If you apply 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 1 17. So we get 176. So now here you can write 176. 4 4 is 176, and here write down 4, and you have to add it together. Okay, you have to add it. 44 plus 4 is 48, and now we get a 0 as a remainder, and we will stop the division. So what is our answer? Our answer is 24. So 24 will be the square root of 576. So in this way we will calculate the square root of a number. So you can pause the video and note it down. Now let's take another example. This is the question number 1 of exercise 3. Now let's take some bigger example. Now I'm going to take some bigger example. Now let's see question number 12 of exercise 3. Question number 12. Okay. So what is the question number 12? Find the square root of 92416. 92416. So we have to find the square root of 92416. Okay. So what is the first rule? Put a bracket like this here. Now, so what is the first rule? We starting from the left, we start making pair of 2 digit. So this is a pair of 16, this is a pair of 2 digit again, and 9 is left alone. So leave it single, leave it alone. Now what do we have to do? We have to find a perfect square which is just either equal to or less than 9. So what is that perfect square? Let's try. 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. So we know that 3 is a 9. So put 3 here. 3 plus 3, add it together. You will get 6. Leave here some space. Okay, leave here for space for another number. So subtract it. 9 minus 9 is 0. And now from here both the pair will come down. So together 24 will come down. Remember, this division is very different from the normal division that you do for the algebraic division. This is another type of division. So here not single digit will come, both the pair will come down. So here 24. So can we find any number which we multiply and we get 24? We get a number 24 less than? No, we cannot apply any number. For example, if we apply 1, see, multiply 1, we will get, what do we get? 61. So 61 is greater than 24, so we cannot apply it. So we will go for 0. We can apply for 0 times. So what do we get? 0. You will have to add 0, and 0 times you will get, so 60 is added to 0 is 60. Leave here some space for any another digit. Now 24 is subtracted from 0 is minus 24 is 24, and now again this whole 16 will come down. So 2416 will be there. So 2416 will be there. Now by what digit we should multiply so that we will get 2416? Let's try. I think 4 4s are 16. So we can apply here, see, 604 times. If we write digit 4, to multiply it by 4, 4 4s are 16 and 6 4s are 24. Yes, we get the answer 4 times. So if you apply 4 times, you get, what do you get? 2416, and just add this together, 608, and this is 0 as a remainder. So our answer is 304. In this way we have to calculate the square root of any number. Okay, now there are some questions, some another question. You can note it down, and now you can pause the video and note it down. And now I am going to discuss some another type of question, okay, in this chapter. So see question number 13, exercise 3, question number 13. So what is in question number 13? Just read it. I'm not going to write the full question. You can read the question from the book. The question number is 13. Okay, so what is the question? The question is actually find the list number. Okay, find the list number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make it a perfect square. 2509. Find the list number which must be subtracted from this number so that it will become a perfect square. So this type of question. How to solve this type of question? Let's see. First of all, we will find the square root of this number. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's 250. Now, students, see 2509. What is the list number which must be subtracted from this number to get a perfect square, to make it a perfect? So we have to make this number a perfect square. So how do we make it a perfect square? The question is what least number should be subtracted. So for this, the first step is to deal with this type of question. The first step is find the square root. So how to find the square root? First of all, put a bracket like this and start making pair from the left. This is 2-digit pair and this is 2-digit pair. Okay, so we have made a pair of 2-digit, and now by what is the least perfect square number which is just less than 25? So 1 square is 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, so here we will add 5. We will add 5 plus 5 10, and we will subtract it. We will get 0. Now this 09 will come down. 09 will come down. Okay, 09 will come down together. Now by what digit we should again here apply? So can we apply? If we suppose it apply 1, then we get 101, which is greater than 9. So we cannot apply 1, so we have to apply 0. So from 0, if we put 0, so 0 times what do we get? If we multiply this 0, we get all zeros. Now add, you will get 100 plus 0 is 0, and 9 minus 0 is 9, and this all cancel. So the remainder is 9, and our okay, so the remainder is 9, and here is 50. So this number is greater than 50 square. By how much? By 9. So what least number we should subtract from this number so that it will become a perfect square? So this is the remainder. So the required perfect square is you have to subtract 2509, the number, and the remainder. You will get 25. So this is the number. This is the number you will get. This is the least number. Okay. So the question is, what is the least number should be subtracted to make it a perfect? So the answer is the least number. You can also write, and if the question is asked, suppose find that number, so that number will be 2500. So now what is the least number? The question has asked find the least number. So you have to write the required least number equal 9. This is the answer. Okay, so now let's deal with another type of problem. Okay, let's deal with another type of problem. See question number 16. So what is in question number 16? So in question number 16, just see, in question number 16, read question number 16 from your book. Question number 16 is, find the least number which must be added to 8500 to obtain a perfect square, and find the perfect square and its square root. 8400. So this is added type question. So 8400. Find the least number which must be added to this number to make it a perfect square. So right now this is not a perfect square. So we have to make it a perfect square by adding a least number. The question is, what is that least number? And after adding, find that number, find that new perfect square number, and also find the square root of that number. So how to deal with this question, such type of question? So first thing is, you have to find the square root. Square root, you know how to find. Make two bars, start grouping, and again, by what number we should apply here? 9 nines are, I think 9 nines are 81. So here 9, add this 9 together, you will get 18, subtract it, 3 0. Now this 2 0 will come down, you will get 300. Now by what number we should apply here? 2, 18, let's say 2 times 2 2s are 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2 1 3. It's greater than. So we have to apply by 1. So 181. We have to add this one, 182, and subtract it 9. 9 minus 8 is 119, and 2 minus 1 is 119. So we look what this 8400. So this 8400 is less than 91 square, and is greater than, it is 8400, this number is greater than 91 square and less than 92 square. Okay, so plus 1. In this type of question, whatever here you are getting, here we are getting 91, so add plus 1 to that, so this number will be greater than, will definitely be less than 92 square. So what is the least number which should be added to this? So the required least number to be added equals 92 square minus 8400. You have to subtract it. 92 square is 92 into 92, 2 2s are 4, 2 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 9 9s are 81, 82. So 8 8 16, 4 2 1 3 4 8, 8 4 6 4, 9 2s are 18, okay, 8464 we are getting. So here 8464 minus 8400. So what do we get? We will get 64. So 64 should be added. So the number that should be added to this is 64, and we have to find what is that number. So that number is 8464. Okay, just do And what is the square root? The perfect square number, that perfect square number will be 8464. This is, and what is the square root? Square root, the last thing, square root of 8464. You can find and you will get what? 92 will be the answer. So in this way you will deal with such type of question. So now your today's homework will be complete exercise. Okay, you can pause the video and make a note of it. And now your today's homework will be, I am going to write the homework. Okay, your today's homework will be exercise HW, exercise 3, 1 to 90. Solve it. Okay, this will be your today's homework. So you have to make it and solve this homework and take a picture of that your homework and send it to my personal WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope you will solve it, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.